Good morning. Today I would like to introduce you to a Logar extractor. This model here is a 9-frame electric stainless steel version, and we offer a whole range of extractors from Logar. I'm just going to run quickly through some of the features. So it is an all stainless steel barrel on heavy duty powder coated legs. The stainless steel is 1.2 millimeters thick, so it's really good, strong, high quality stainless steel, a lot better and thicker than some of the other models on the market from other European manufacturers. We just go to the top of the extractor here. It has got an acrylic lid, and as soon as you put the acrylic lid up, it stops the extractor. It's got an integrated safety switch, so as soon as the extractor is on, the lid goes down, the extractor will run. Also down here, we've got a all stainless steel welded valve. So with a nice seal. And then around here, we've got the heavy duty powder coated legs, 3 of those, which are just bolt on. They're easy to dismantle if you want to clean it or for storage. The other thing here, we've got 2 heavy duty handles either side, so you can easily maneuver the barrel around. This is just a film that's on there just to protect the stainless steel, so this film will just peel off. Okay, so inside, the valve is right at the base of the extractor. I don't know if you can see that, right down there, it's right at the base, so the honey easily flows out there. There's no rims or lips or edges inside the extractor for any honey to catch on, so it's great so you don't lose any honey, and it's also a lot easier for cleaning. The bottom as well, it's difficult to see on the video, the bottom is also sloped. So obviously it slopes down from the central shaft, but then from the opposite edge of the valve all the way to the valve, it's got a sloped bottom. So again, the honey runs out through the bottom of the extractor. So the motor and gearbox are top mounted, which is great rather than the lower mounted belt driven models you may see. Really heavy duty motor, 0 to 280 RPM, 220 volts, 110 watts. So it's just a very simple forward and backwards control. Another great feature of this extractor is it's really easy to clean. So there's just these 2 wheels on the top that just need to be undone, and then you need somebody who's got a little bit of strength. The whole assembly will lift off, so it can be cleaned away from the barrel, so you can clean the cage and the barrel separately. Also a really nice little thing, it comes with a little black cap that you put on top of the where the shaft goes in at the bottom, where the ball bearing goes. So you can put that on, and again it can be cleaned up without the water running down the shaft. So I'm now going to turn the extractor on, it's all plugged in. So here we have the on-off switch, so literally off is above, so turn it on. So you can hear power is now coming to the extractor, and then just a simple forward and back. Okay, so just forward. Go, adjust the speed like this. Just stop it, bring it back to the centre. And wait for the barrel or the cage to stop rotating. Once it's stopped rotating, then you can go, if you wanted to, the opposite direction. Again, bring it back to centre. And I'll just show you the safety switch as well. So turn it back on again. And if you open the lid, it comes to a stop very, very quickly indeed. Let's put that back to centre. The important thing is not to change the direction of the cage while the cage is spinning. Okay, so as I said, this is a radial extractor, so the frames have to be loaded radially like the spokes of a bike. So I've got an SN1 here. You see me putting that in. That's SN4. So you can fit 9 of any type of shallow frame into the Extractor, including British Standard Manley. If you've got some deeper frames you want to extract, or in fact if you wanted to extract tangentially, you can also buy these optional set of 3 screens. I'm just going to show you how to put those in. They're very straightforward. So literally just get your screen, pop it into one of the segments, push it down there, underneath the bottom of the cage, and then it just hangs like that. And then I've got these are shallow frames, and then you just put the frame like this. It fits all sizes of deep frames, including 14 by 12, but it doesn't fit Layens frames, but it will fit all sizes of deep frames. So just another couple of added extras you can buy. So you can buy a set of 3 of these rubber feet, which go underneath the feet at the bottom. So just with a bolt, they screw through there. And the other thing you can do, you can change your Extractor into a creamer, or even something to make sugar syrup, mixed sugar syrup. So take the assembly off, remove the cage, pop the creamer, you can see the attachment there, into the top, into the bearing at the top, and turn it on, and then you've got your own honey creamer or mixer for syrup. So just final thing to say is that these are available in the UK now, and they come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Thank you ever so much for listening. I hope you have a look at these Logar products. Lots of different options available on our website. Any questions, just drop us an email, and if we haven't got anything on the website, we can always source it for you. Thank you.